Hi guys, we went to Woolies and we went to the butcher as well, so we get some steak and then we also get some water for the camping.
Guys, we just went out the river, that's why we have our towels on. We're still wet and we just did shopping. Now we're going
To the woods for camping. We're looking for some kangaroo.
Where is Skippy? Skippy the bush kangaroo.
Review. We are going to go to that side. It's too hot. It's hot, hot, hot. Hi guys, we are here in 7 Acre Rock, just in Victoria, and we choose this spot. Hello guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa 7 Acre Rock Scenic Reserve in Victoria. So we decided to stay here for tonight. And meron sila dito pang hiking. Point to make sure spot doesn't go there near you. When you stand up, please close it. You have to close it. Be careful of its pointer. Going to cook steak for tonight's dinner, guys. I've already put salt and pepper on our steak. Ayan na, ayan na. Ang ating steak is steak. Diba?
So Zane, ever pop into Billy Brown with his cut in command? Yeah, we do. Love it.
Diyan lang muna yan.
Yeah, bring it on. Bloody go. There is, except for Bill's jokes. Of course. Tell us about the rock. What do you do? Food fighters. Nirvana, all that old indie rock sort of stuff. Old and new, it's just all good tunes. Thanks, Zane. Triple M. Rock and roll.
Wow.
We were thinking of buying a new caravan. We wanted to be sure we bought something from someone who really knows their stuff. So we went to Our Van RV and they helped us choose the right caravan for our family and our budget.
Hi, Stan here from Our Van RV. From our parts and accessories shop to our accredited RV service-based repair centre, we have everything you need to start your caravan journey. Our Van RV, our caravan,
Oh,
your
let's
holidays,
go.
your memories. Open 6
Yeah, I
days a
know.
week to Henry Ward.
Our final art project. But our oversized papier-mâché representation of a broken heart is in danger of becoming even less realistic thanks to the threatening storm clouds up ahead. Situations like this would break most, but with the motorised roller cover on the new Hilux Road, you can keep our masterpiece under our eyes try at the touch of a button and stay unbreakable. Awaken your unbreakable with the new Hilux Road.
Solar power system featuring our latest silhouette panel with a 25-year solar power.
Ayan, guys. We got our steak going.
$500 off a solar power system with new silhouette panel.
Yay! Our steak! Hi guys! Tapos na namin kumain ng dinner. I cooked steak for dinner and then I also have mixed veggies with beef. Yan guys. And I also have my coconut water for my drink tonight. It's really nice and refreshing guys. After dinner, magandang uminom din ng ganito. Napaka-refreshing. Ngayon, yan ang view ko ngayon. Here we go. Kain tayo guys. Mga unta sa mga Bisaya diha. Kain tayo. Kain. Ito na lang, diretso. Lami. Sarap. Good morning. Welcome to my vlog. And today is our second day in camping. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Yara Junction and Warburton pala. Warburton. And we're going to have our brunch here sa Warburton Hotel. Na, na, na. Ang ganda ng ano nila. Ng hotel nila. Ganda ng daanan. Dito guys, pag sinasabing hotel, para siyang restaurant, hindi siya yung hotel talaga. Oo. Parang pub siya, pub. Samahan niyo ako sa loob. Tara. So nice. Guys, ang ganda-ganda ng ano nila, ng pagka-set up ng ano nila, restaurant. Have a look. Very ano siya ha. In fairness. High ceiling siya guys. So you can see. Pagpasok mo, wow! Very nice. Ganda. Say hi! Ang ganda guys. Ganda siya guys. Ano yan? Kids food arrived. Yeah. Hi guys, I just got my order for today's brunch. These are kids. Let's get my own. I'm having garlic prawns and rice with salad on the side and beer for my drink. Let's dig in, guys.
Okay, let's
Kain.
begin.
Dig in. Butcher, we're here in Meadow Valley meets Yara Junction. Hi guys, we are in Yara Junction and we're going to Bullis. Oh wow, that's a good one.